welcome to Upper Killay. Do you know somebody who's looking for a 4-bed detached property in this area? This property behind me may well be suited to them or yourself. So follow me in and take a look. The footprint of this property is extremely generous and practical throughout, with 4 bedrooms upstairs, family bathroom and master bedroom as well as a lovely footprint downstairs with a fantastic extension overlooking the woodland and outdoor sitting area. Externally in the rear garden, we're sitting on around a 1/4 acre plot with a cycle track behind which leads down through to Clyne and Mumbles beachfront, as well as being within close proximity and within catchment of Alpha School as well. So there you have it, our 4-bed detached property situated on Gower Road in Upper Killay. Here are 3 reasons why you need to give us a call and come and see me at this beautiful property today. We're within Alpha School catchment area. We've got the cycle track just behind here for your cyclists. Out there, it's a perfect spot to go cycling through and away off into the Mumbles area. And number 3, why not? This is a beautiful 4-bed detached property and it ticks all the boxes. It's got outdoor living space with plenty and generous living space internally as well. I'm Dav Spear, this is my new listing. I look forward to seeing you soon.